How to update SIN number after getting work permit online in Canada. Now you can do this for both mobile device or even on your laptop or PC. What you just need to access is any working or your preferred web browser. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. And what you need to do is just to head straight to Government of Canada's official site. Once you're here, all you have to do next is to check under sections and click on apply or update or obtain a SIN confirmation. And once you have checked it out, you'll be redirected to another page in which you just have to scroll down a bit and then just simply click this apply or update once again. So you will be redirected to another page in which you'll have to read the terms and conditions carefully before uploading necessary documentations like your social security number, your current address, and as well as your new work permit. You just have to complete all these forms right here so you can go ahead and update it. So that is how you update SIN number after getting work permit online in Canada.